I'm Allie.
And we are with Inspired Designs on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and Chicks Roll 0809 on YouTube. And today we are just doing some chemistry. And we have some Ivory soap. There's some Ivory soap and some Zest soap. And you can smell the difference, right? Smell it. Smell it. Strong. Not as strong. No.
So what are you doing?
We're doing chemistry, and we're going to be putting the Ivory soap.
Stop. Not yet. In a minute we will.
Yeah, in a minute we're going to put the Ivory soap in here.
Okay, so what? There's a big bowl of water right there. What do you think that's going to be for?
It's so...
They have no idea what we're about to do, guys. They have no idea what happens. Apparently they haven't seen videos of this before, so they have no idea what's happening. What do you think the bowl of water is for?
To see what floats and what doesn't.
Ah, so we have 2 bars of soap, right?
Yes.
Do you think that they will both float, or do you think one of them might sink? Jalen, slide back over so you're in the camera.
I think this one is going to sink because you don't see like any air pockets or anything, but this one it's a lot easier to see more air pockets and stuff.
I think it's just wrinkly. I think it's just the way the paper was on it.
I don't know, but I think it's
All right, so you think, you guys, are you both saying the same thing?
This one feels a little lighter, so it might float.
Oh, okay. So Jalen, you think the Zest is going to sink and the Ivory is going to float, and Allie, you think what's going to happen?
I don't know.
And Allie just doesn't know. Okay.
This one's a lot smoother. Like, you want to feel it?
Feel that.
Put it in there.
This is so nice.
Yeah, I know they felt it. All right, put them in there and see what happens.
That one first.
Go for it. Jalen.
That one's...
Whoa. So the Zest sunk and the Ivory floated. Now, get them out. So what happens here? Why is that? Try this off. All right, so why? What else? What do we know of what floats?
The Ivory.
Like corks.
Corks float. Bread floats.
Balloons.
Float. Okay, now we're talking about chemistry. We've been doing this for a minute. What do we know about all of those things? What do they have in common?
They all have like air pockets, or they're filled with air. Like the balloon, it's filled with air. Hi, Ashton. This is by the way. And the cork has like air pockets, and so does.
Okay, so what does air have to do with floating things?
Air is less dense than water, so therefore it floats.
It floats. All right, now let's move the bowl of water. You can just set it over here in my little nest.
You want to watch something?
Or you know what? Just dump it out. That's fine. Just dump it out. That way it doesn't get spilled.
This is the microwave.
Okay, now Ashton, you're gonna come back here. Put that down. Ashton, stop. Okay, can you stop? Now, come here, please. I want you to stand right here. Jalen or Allie, can you get the plate and put the soap on it, please? No, Dash. No, you're gonna wait right there.
So now,
Okay, so the Ivory soap is in there. Now, why did we shut the door? What did we?
The Zest in it because that'll stick up around our house, and Mommy said she doesn't want that.
Now, wait, Allie Shay, you don't know what you're doing. Stop.
I wasn't gonna tell you.
Just wait.
Okay.
Now, we're not doing the Ivory soap because we read that it smells burnt, and we don't need the Zest. We don't need that smell in the house. Now, what do you think's gonna happen when we microwave soap? Why in the world would we do that? What do you think's gonna happen? You think it's gonna melt? So will it become like a goo, a slime, a liquid?
Like a liquid or like a slime or something.
Okay, what do you think's gonna happen, Allie?
I feel like it's gonna blow up in the microwave.
Blow up in the microwave. Well, let's hope that doesn't happen because that would be awful.
Ashton, how long do you want it to
You
be?
read this.
Pop.
You want it to pop?
You think
Ashton thinks it's gonna pop.
Ashton thinks it's gonna pop like popcorn? Whoa!
Okay.
You like popcorn though, don't you?
We love to pop ton.
I know. Okay, we might have some for snack later, huh?
I did, but Bobby.
You're a kid like Bubba?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys think that it's gonna blow up,
Yeah.
and you think it's gonna melt and become a liquid,
Like a slime or something?
like a slime or gooey. Okay, hang on.
Tell you something.
Okay, what?
Pop up.
You think it's gonna pop up? Like pop? Okay, so you're kind of thinking along the lines of Allie. All right. We're looking up how long we're supposed to do this. So hold on just 1 second.
My hand.
Okay, we looked it up. And Allie, you're making really weird faces.
And we're gonna put it in for 2 minutes.
1 to 45.
1 minute 45 seconds. Put it in there for that. That'll work. 45. Now watch it and see what happens. Let's get in
supposed to
here.
watch it.
Let's get in here and see what's gonna happen.
What's it doing?
Right now, it's doing nothing. What if it does nothing?
I feel like
Then
it's
what?
gonna melt.
You think it's gonna melt? It's gonna start oozing out here in a minute and just become goo.
It's not exploding.
It's not exploding. What is it gonna do?
Like it could like,
Where's our time?
do that, and then like just. You could,
Oh, look! Something's happening.
What in the world?
Something's happening.
It's exploding.
It still looks like a
Look
goo.
at it.
I'm still gonna play with it when it gets out.
It's slow
Look.
motion exploding.
It's like
Slow motion explosion. Look at it. Ooh, do you smell it?
it smells like soap.
It does smell like
That plate's gonna smell like soap
Look
forever.
at it.
Oh my god.
Our time. Oh, the smell is really strong.
See, do you smell that, you guys?
Look at it. Oh wow, that is really
That
strong.
is so big.
That's really big.
Holy cow.
You smell that, guys? It's kind of skin.
I want to back away
That
from
big.
it, but I can't because I gotta record it.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it's so big. It took us the whole
You guys, that was so small. Like it was like that big, and I was just like, poof.
It's not.
Oh my god!
Look at it.
Take it over. Well, it's possibly cleaning our microwave.
Just stop it.
I think we
touch
can
it.
stop because it's starting to.
I'm
Alright,
poking.
hang on. It could be hot.
It looks like marshmallows.
It
is
does.
slime, but it's like a slime. I was right.
It's shrinking back down now.
It's a slime.
Let's pull it out. So,
Oh.
look at it.
Yeah, it's a slime.
Oh, what are you doing?
It's not slime, actually.
Okay, let's take it over here.
It feels like marshmallows.
Let's not drop it in the floor because the dog's gonna try to eat it.
It's like.
Okay, watch. Move the chairs.
I like it.
All right, let's set this on the table.
We should food color it.
You can color it, you can mold it, you can shape it.
Wow.
So tell me about how it feels.
It feels like a marshmallow.
It's like a marshmallow, but like a hot marshmallow.
Pick up a piece. Show us.
It's like squish.
Squish it.
Do you see that?
And look,
Does it float?
it still floats.
Oh, it floats.
Oh, no.
Now, they said the zest, listen, they said the zest will do the same thing,
But we're not gonna try that.
but it will smell burnt when you do it, and so we don't want that burnt
take
soap
the
smell.
microwave outside and do it.
So, what happened? Why do you think that happened? We were talking about, why do you think that happened? It's probably hot on the inside, babe.
It is. Totally.
Why do you think this happened? We've been talking about atoms and molecules and what they do and how they react to stuff. So why do you think this happened? Well, what made it float?
The
air pockets.
Air pockets.
The air
Still has
pockets.
the air pockets.
The air pockets expand just like in popcorn. Right?
Popcorn float,
It
guys.
pops out, right? So you guys were kind of close in being right there. The air pockets start acting all crazy and then it expands, right?
Yes. And it's really hot.
It's really hot.
You want to feel it?
Look, you feel that?
Look
It's
at
so
it.
hot.
So is it still squishy? Is it yucky? Is it slimy feeling? How does it feel?
And it's like slimy and stuff like that. You know?
It's squishy and slimy?
Yeah.
Right here, it's squishy
And
and
it's like
slimy.
really hot.
I like this part right here.
Was that pretty cool?
Yeah.
You can
but
still
it's
wash your hands with you guys. You wanna...
Oh my god.
Then I'm gonna go wash my hands.
All right.
It's really hot. Bye.
Well, that's all we have for today. Step says bye.